Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, as per your time zone. I, Aparnika Sahu, welcome you all again to my channel, Dance with Aparnika. So, as we learned Shikhara Adavu, step number 5 in our previous video, and today, without delay, we will move on to Shutru Adavu, step number 6. In this, we have to lift right leg, keep towards the side, and left leg will stretch automatically. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because we started from right side, so we will keep the right foot forward. After this, keep the left foot forward. Now start from left side. Left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because we started from left side, so now the left foot will move forward. After this, the right foot will move forward. We use Tripataka Hasta in this step also. We will take Natya Rambha position in number 1 and 2. Then we'll stretch both the hands in number 3. And remember, when we will start from right side, our right hand will be upwards. And when we start from the left side, our left hand will be upwards. And the hand gesture should be reversed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After this, the hands will come towards the front. 1, 2, 3. There is a little twist in this step. From here, we will move both our left hand and right leg forward together, which means in this part, the leg sequence is right, left, but the hand sequence will be right, left, right. Like when you will move right leg forward, your left hand will move forward together. When you will move left leg, your right hand will move forward together. Left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Left, 2, 3. See, because now we have put our left foot forward, so our right hand will move forward along with it. Left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tat Tai Tam. Dhit Tai Tam. 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 This is Shikhara Adavu or Shutru Adavu step number 6. We will learn step number 7 in our next video. And kindly subscribe to my channel, like, share and comments. Take care, bye bye and thank you for watching.